Okay. Another great day here at the ranch. We got Bear Swipe Excavating helping us out today. Our tractor is out of commission for a couple days. Mick is here helping us get this project done. Collecting a lot of these down juniper trees, filling them up in the trailer. We have a wood chipper, and nothing goes to waste here at the homestead. We're gonna make mulch and wood chips. A perfect time. We just got some planting done in our medicinal garden, and so these wood chips are really gonna help us keep the moisture in our garden. Monsoon season's here, so we'll get the wood chips down so they can collect a lot of moisture, retain the water, keep it from flooding out. Thank you, Bear Swipe Excavating. Work hard, play hard. So after a full day of collecting wood, dumping wood next to the project area, and chipping wood, we have plenty of mulch for our medicinal garden. Next, we'll be putting it in our raised beds, in our in-ground vegetable garden. I am so grateful for this work. The mulch is working beautifully, retaining moisture just as it's meant to be, and the butterfly bush is happy. Have a great day, all. Thanks again for checking in.